Frustrated by crypto platforms that only list a handful of altcoins? Imagine having access to over 2,700 trading pairs, 500 plus futures on one exchange. Well, MEXC Global is revolutionizing the trading game with lightning fast listings, zero taker fees, and the ability to trade without KYC. I'll show you how to navigate their futures trading platform and why serious traders are making the switch. Before we jump into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything not willing to lose. Let's jump into MEXC. All right, everyone, I want to show you an exchange that I really like, and that is MEXC. Now, this is good if you're new, if you're experienced, if you don't know what you're doing, this is going to be the exchange to go. Why? Because they have learning resources, so you can learn all the important topics, what's going on, DeSci, meme coins, everything, spot trading, futures trading, what's it all about? You can figure it out. Now, we're going to jump into it, but before we do that, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do trades here, you buy crypto, do it at your own risk. Now, why is MEXC the best place to do it if you want to do that? Well, not only do they have the best trading pairs coming on, but when it comes to listing new coins, they're at the forefront of that. What do I mean? If a new meme coin hits the market, you have a very short amount of time to get on it before it peaks. Now, if you're using a central exchange, I would use MEXC for that so you can get the most gains. Now, with liquidity, they also have the best liquidity in the market. We can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Doge. MEXC is absolutely killing it there. That's why they're in over 200 countries with over 15 million people. Now, if you're wondering, are my assets safe? You can combine cold storage and hot wallets. Now, I always say not your keys, not your crypto. That's why I say that, because it's very, very important to understand that. For futures, you can click here and click on demo trading. So you don't have to risk your own money. You don't have to worry about even risking any money, actually. And you can kind of figure out what to do here if you want to start trading. They have their own guide here, so they'll give you a guide what to do. There's a how-to guide to make sure the funds are available, how to enter price, quality, but you can go ahead simply here, pick a pair. You can come here, adjust for it, and then there's open and close right here. So you can do that. You have a close short and a close long. So that's how you would go ahead and do that. Now, they also have events calendars for the different futures and things going on. So you can do it for futures, spot trading. You can see what's going on in the market. And this is what I would do if I wanted to become a qualified trader or a good trader, is just understand the events, understand where they're going, understand what they're doing, and kind of figure it out from there. Now, there's also spot trading with futures here. You can do demo trading for spot and just buy crypto like you normally would. There's a quick buy and sell of how you can go ahead and buy. So if you want to pick up Bitcoin, if you want to pick up Ethereum, if you want to pick up Solana, you can do so right here. And they actually have how to buy cryptocurrencies. You hit the buy tab, you click buy USDT. Upon payment, the crypto you bought is in your MEXC account. So you can do it by fiat, you can do it by debit, and you can also do it by bank transfer. There's a nice little thing here where you can go ahead, toggle it light or dark. You also have different language options. And here you can see your profile, security, identification. Now there's also referrals here. So let's say you really enjoy it. You're like, the spot trading's good, the information's good, all that stuff. You can invite your friends, and how you do that is you click invite friends. You have a referral code. You can go ahead and promote that. And that's something I do especially to go ahead and just get people interested in MEXC and everything like that. Other than that, they have big events like the ETH Spring Spectacular, $1 million in rewards. How you can get this, zero fee trading. And this is one thing that I really like, staking and all that type of stuff. And they even explain what it is all about. So you'll start to see new listings on here with big events. And if you're into meme coins, of course, there's Meme Plus. So literally, I would say this has everything. You just have to acknowledge it. And yes, you can see some funny memes right here. So I'd say MEXC really has everything. It has a huge base. Like I said, over 50 million users in over 200 countries. It has a referral program. It has places to learn. You can trade. You can buy crypto like normal exchanges. You can do spot trading, and you can even see what's going on in the market, and you can have your own wallet. So this is why it's one of my preferred exchanges in 2025. I'd like to know, what are you using? Are you using MEXC? Are you using another exchange? Let me know in the comments section below. What are you interested in? What are you using? And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.